Please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell icon. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we've got some exciting news from GoPro. They're taking the action camera game to the next level with their latest release, the GoPro Hero 12 Black. In this video, we'll dive into all the fantastic features this camera has to offer, so stick around till the end to get the full scoop. First up, let's talk about runtime. The Hero 12 Black boasts extended battery life, thanks to a revamped power management system. This means you can capture more of your adventures without worrying about running out of juice. You can even double your runtime when using GoPro's Enduro battery. Just keep in mind that the 2x improvement is with the Enduro battery included with the Hero 12. Standard GoPro batteries will yield different runtimes. Are you a content creator for platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts? GoPro has you covered with a new 9:16 vertical capture mode. Pair this with Bluetooth wireless audio device support, including AirPods and microphones, and you've got a powerful tool for creating vertical videos with ease. But that's not all. GoPro has also included features for professionals. You can capture stunning HDR photos and videos at 5.3K resolution, with various frame rate options. The addition of GP-log encoding gives you a wider dynamic range for your shots. Plus, you can sync time codes across an unlimited number of Hero 12 Black cameras, simplifying multi-angle editing. For those who crave a wider field of view, the Hero 12 Black can record at an impressive 177-degree angle in 4K at 60 frames per second. This is made possible by the new Max Lens Mod 2.0 accessory. It also opens up a 36% wider field of view for widescreen video and a 48% taller field of view for vertical video. Keep in mind that you'll need to purchase the Max Lens Mod separately. Now, let's talk pricing. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is set to retail at $399.99, and you can start pre-ordering it this Wednesday. If you're a GoPro subscriber, you can snag the Max Lens Mod 2.0 for just $79.99, while non-subscribers will have it for $99.99. The cameras will hit the shelves on September 13th. For those looking for the ultimate package, GoPro is releasing a Creator Edition for $599.99. This edition includes a grip, a media mod attachment with a microphone, and an LED light attachment. So, if you're serious about your content creation, this might be the right choice for you. And here's some additional good news for GoPro subscribers. The GoPro Quick app is getting an update. You can now edit your videos directly from the cloud, eliminating the need to download videos to your device. It's a game changer for streamlined editing on the go. In summary, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is packing some serious firepower with extended runtimes, vertical capture mode, professional-grade features, and an expansive field of view. Whether you're a content creator or just love capturing your adventures, this camera has something for everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.